Can you make shoes out of an old French workwear jacket? That's what we're asking today on Will It Shoe. A workwear jacket is typically a loose-fitting coat with large pockets made out of a really durable material like a twill or a heavy cotton canvas, designed to be durable enough to stand up to rigorous manual labor. They originated in France in the 19th century and were traditionally dyed with a benzoate-based blue dye, which is kind of where the classic blue jacket comes from. They were adapted by Carhartt for the US workforce, eventually becoming the duck brown engineer sack coat. With the rise of workwear-influenced fashion, these are less often found on people carrying out rigorous manual labor and more often on the kind of people that sit around making YouTube videos. So I'm gonna lose the jacket now and send it off to the workshop. And then we will see what comes back. Yes. Oh man. This is the French workwear jacket, right? Yeah. Oh my god, they look amazing.
Aye, they've worked. They've shoes.
Much better than last week's failed Lego mat shoes. They're shoes. Look at them go. I think the problem is when they work this well and they're really good, there's not a lot to say about them. Like, was the material a pain or is it just like a really easy?
Really easy, as you'd imagine. It's the nice tough canvas that lends itself well to this kind of thing.
What do you think? In the comments, give us a rating out of 10. Would you wear them? Are they my size? Bit small. I'm slightly larger than sample size, which is always really frustrating when I like these shoes. Love them.
Yeah.
How much material out of like one jacket did it take to make a pair of shoes?
I reckon we could have done 2 pairs out of a jacket. Maybe 3 if we were really considerate with how we put it.
So I mean, like, workwear jackets are everywhere. They're like, you can find them so easily all over the place. Some people pay a lot of money for very specific ones, but you know, like vintage blue French jackets. There's so many of them, but there's also a lot of them that aren't wearable, like, you know, tears or holes that maybe people don't want. So instead of them going into landfill, this could be like a really great way to use them up. And then you could have matching shoes and jacket. I don't know how you feel about 2 pieces, but I love a little matching set now and then. Let us know what you think in the comments as always. French workwear shoes. Would you wear them? I'm gonna give everyone a big pat on the back for this one because they're amazing. Obviously I can see the team have gone with a few eyelets on this one. As we've discussed before, the leather shoes, it's thick enough to kind of get a really solid eyelet without needing to reinforce it. But the lighter fabrics we would reinforce with a eyelet. If you have any other amazing ideas of things that we can turn into shoes, please let us know down in the comments. And until next time, see you later. I love them. I think they're sick.
get some footage of me pretending to do work.